Okay, guys. Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I'm also fine. So, guys, today we are here to take enjoyment in this class because this is class funny, very very funny class. So, all students are here and they will speak about their topics. I don't know what will they speak. So, first of all, I would like to call to Anas. So, for a big clap for Anas. Come on. Okay.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I'm also fine. First of all, I would like to pay my thanks to my respected Saurabh Bhaiya and my dear old friends who gave me a golden chance to come on the podium. So, guys, today I'm here to share a wonderful topic on about my topic. But first of all, I would like to tell you about myself. So, myself is Anas Sefi, and I live in Meerut from UP. Basically, I live in a small city named Taji from Meerut. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I'm studying 9th class from Magnum Academy School. So now discipline is the most important for our life. Without discipline, we are useless. And without discipline, we can't talk in sense. And if we have discipline, so we can talk in sense. Suppose if you go for job and you have certificate, knowledge and also education, but he will your interview starting and he will look at your condition that how are you sitting, how are you looking, and how are you standing, and how are you talking. What is discipline? If we have discipline, so he will give you job, and if you don't have discipline, so he won't give you job because you don't have discipline. Discipline makes us perfect and makes us happy. Discipline tells to all people that how should we do, how should we live, and how should we study, and how should we everything do what. If we have discipline, so we can do anything work, and if we don't have discipline, so we can't do anything work, because discipline is the most important for our life. And also my Saurabh Bhaiya makes us perfect and makes us happy, and Saurabh Bhaiya tells to all students that how should we do. So that's it, guys. Sorry for my mistake which I have in this topic. I would like to stop my time due to lack of time. Thank you, guys.
Okay, second, Prince will speak. Okay, so he's also a nice student. Okay. How are you all?
We are fine, and
you? I'm also fine. First of all, I would like to pay my thanks to my respected teachers and dear old friends who give me a good chance to come on the podium. So guys, I'm here to share a wonderful topic about how can we get success. So first of all, I will tell you about my self. So myself, Prince Singh, and I am 15 years old, and I am living from UP. And basically, I live in small city Nanglataji from Meerut. And I'm going to tell about how can we get success. So education is the key of the success. So suppose that if we have education, so you can take for job, and if you don't have education, so you can't take for job. And Saurabh Bhaiya tells us the good talk, how should we live, how should we study. And Saurabh Bhaiya most important in our my life. And education is the most important in our life. Education makes us perfect in our life. And if you will go for take for job, he will check out your condition. What do you have? If you don't have education, so he won't give you job. And so that's it, guys. Sorry for my mistake which I have done in this topic. I would like to stop my time due to lack of time. Big clap for. Okay, second Tushar will speak. Okay, hurry up.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you all?
Yeah,
I'm also fine. First of all, I would like to pay my thanks to my respected Saurabh Bhaiya and my dear old friend. I will tell you about teachers. So first of all, I will tell you about teacher. Teacher is the most important in our life. Teacher is requirement in our life because teacher second God and second parent. Teacher is second parents. Teacher tells us we where how do we live. Teacher tells us about education. Teacher tells us you should go to good way. You shouldn't go to good way, bad way. So guys, teacher gives us knowledge and education, and there are many types of teachers in our country. For example, Saurabh Bhaiya. Saurabh Bhaiya gives us knowledge and about English, and then that's it. So that's it, guys.
Okay, now Maurice will speak. Okay, hurry up. For big clap for Maurice.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you all?
Yeah, fine.
I'm also fine. So, guys, first of all, I would like to pay my thanks to my Saurabh Bhaiya and my dear friends who gave me a golden chance to come on the podium. So guys, I am here to share a wonderful topic on about me. So guys, but first of all, I would like to tell you about myself. So myself is Mohammad Sefi. I am 16 years old and I live in Meerut from UP. Basically, I live in a small city nearby from Meerut. So guys, doctors are very important for our life. If without doctor, we can't live, and if we have doctor, so we can live. Because all people depend on doctor. Because many diseases are increasing day by day. So guys, I thought that I will be doctor, and I'll have to all pupils after become a doctor. So guys, I'll be doctor. So guys,
Okay.
as you
Hey,
know,
what is the work of doctors?
because doctors help us all pupils.
Okay, and why do patients come in the clinic show?
Because the patients has disease.
Okay, so that's why you thought you will be doctor.
Yeah, I'll help to all pupils.
Okay, you will
Because-
help to all people after
Become
becoming
a doctor,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you.
So guys, as you know that doctor is a second goal. So that's it guys. Sorry for my mistake which I have in this topic. I would like to withdraw my tongue due to lack of the thank you guys.
Good. Okay, now Tanu will come. Okay, on the stage. Be sense.
After
Okay, she will speak. I don't know. Okay.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
Everyone.
We are
thank
thank you.
I'm First of all, I would like to pay my thanks to my respected teacher and my dear old friends who give me a golden chance to come on the podium. So, guys, today I'm gonna tell about myself. So, myself, Tanu Verma, and I'm pursuing BA. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I'm pursuing BA. And if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are like singing and dancing. And if you talk about my aim, so my aim is I wanna be singer. And if you talk about my weakness point, so my weakness point is that I first I easily get angry, and second I believe on others so easily. And if you talk about my strongest point, so my strongest point is that I never give up because nothing is impossible. So that's it, guys. Sorry for my mistake which might have done in this topic. I would like to stop my tongue due to lack of time. Thank you.
Big clap. Okay, now our one student Zarugar.
good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I'm also fine. So first of all, I would like to pay my thanks to my respected Saurabh Bhaiya and my dear old friend who gave me a golden chance to come on the podium. So guys, today I am here to share a wonderful topic on hold my earlier. So first of all, when I came at the clinic shop, so I looked at Saurabh Bhaiya. So I was working and I looked to Saurabh Bhaiya. So I asked to Saurabh Bhaiya, hey, what are you doing? Saurabh Bhaiya said to me, I am studying English in English. So Saurabh Bhaiya said to me, hey, what are you doing? So I was working. So and I asked to Saurabh Bhaiya, can you teach me? So Saurabh Bhaiya said to me, I can teach you, but I was saying to Saurabh Bhaiya, first of all, I asked to Dr. Saab. I asked to Dr. Saab, so Dr. Saab said to me, yeah, you can learn in English, but with work. So first of all, that time I was very weak in study. So I hard work. Day by day I hard work. So Saurabh Bhaiya said to me, hey, you hard work. I hard work. So you will be unique. You will be unique in classroom. So and one day I went to college. So I spoke to English. I spoke to English. So my teacher was looking to me. So hey, do you know how to speak the English? So yeah, I know. Hey, who teaches you? Saurabh Bhaiya teaches me. So I am coming from the school. I was coming from the school. So that's it. Sorry for my mistake which I have done in this topic. I would like to thank for my time to the lack of time. Thank you guys.
Okay, good. Okay, bye.
So